Here's the PS5 Pro, and here's the Sony Playstation vertical stand. I'm going to show you how to attach this. First thing out of this box, get some pamphlets here. You get the stand itself. You get this bracket right here, which we don't need for the PS5 Pro, and very important also, make sure you have this little tiny screw right here as well. Next, grab your PS5 Pro and you want to turn it upside down. And when it's upside down, you should see a little tiny round cap right here. Okay, so just go ahead and pop that cap out. Just like that. You really don't need this anymore. Now you can see where the screw goes in. Now go ahead and grab the plate. Like I said, we don't need this one. Okay, so just put that one to the side. And then what we're simply going to do is, okay, so we're just going to line it up here. And we're going to put it on this hole here. Okay, so just line it up. And then once it's in, it'll rock like this a little bit. Okay, so just matched up the hole. Oops, let me pop that. Okay, there we go. So now I'm just going to go ahead and insert the screw, and you can actually hand tighten this. You don't really need to use a flathead screwdriver unless your hands are not too strong. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead and hand tighten this, just like that. You can see how that looks, and voila. I'll give you a view again on the bottom. There you go.